Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, body color bumpers, body color door handles, front stabilizer bar, FWD, cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.